So what's up my fellow army of techies and nerds? So in this tutorial I will be teaching you how to build a few stack websites with Django framework. And before building this, I hope you guys have an idea of Python. So for now, this is only what we have. These simple things that Python that Django just gives you. We've created our home app. It's just very, very simple. So the next, what we've done is that we've created the URLs which will be responsible for giving the client whatsoever they ask when they go to the home page of the website. So what we want to do now is just this. I've written it already, and all this does is it takes in the request here, the URLs, the view which is home, and this it turns the HTTP response which is welcome to my home page. So let's check. Okay, our server is running, just so well. So let's go back to it and let us run it. And voila, everything works just fine. We have this and welcome to my page, and this is it right in welcome to my page. So I'll give you guys enough time, just to copy out this code and we'll get back to it. So while you guys were away, I tried to do a little bit of the website and just do pretty much a little bit. So we've got a few HTMLs, and let me show you results of all this that we have. If I'll be running this again, let me show you guys what we'll be getting. Let me go to, for example, we would have the login page. We have login. Let's go to the forum, for example. In the forum, you guys get to like post anything you want on the website. So it's been a pretty much easy tutorial. So I hope to see you in the next one, and take care guys.